know something went wrong. You must wear these 5 dresses. I want to remind you, Jonah, Kegudule fast. Rokwe Matomo, Kelenkara yona grade 12s. Mara ye, ukano yapara. Hokara loka wa itra Mrs. Madika na Mrs. Rayland, Mrs. What. You might miss it. Because yet inagawina discipline, ukitime loje dinchi. I expect to run a school as a high school, Agabashi, Alcara distress the boyfriend, the girlfriend. Those are as not where house to fit a moon. Because some of you, like, sorry, like our Volumus Colo. Arturo Mana School about Luco meeting now. Arturo addresses one school over addresses Luco meeting now. We don't know. Because sometimes Mutomo Muscolo, who are a teacher, you don't respect them. Let the way Waparangano want to school, it counts. It counts. Until you're getting young, small things matters. Because only when I school Mushimano Balmanina, Boruata Muka Skolo. Never. And it's a mic together, Lucio. Never. Because only when I school opera sportica, Kajaratanga school. Small things, they count a lot. Only when I school, even when I school. Nagoro Tobel committee that fit our head. You need to wear this dress. The second dress that you need to wear, Kirokwa 21st. As a young lady, you need to wear this dress. I'm telling you. What are we celebrating? When we are saying you are 21st, we are celebrating you. Rauru Kitoro Musadi, Wabala Harebe Leboti. Wabasta 21, Rau celebrate Agabots. Alright? But it's fine. If you had a child, Usaluana, learn another way, ready pause, okay? We are not perfect. But you need to be careful. The third dress that you need to wear, the graduation dress. The University of Limpopo. Wakata kama swana ko tefa ko mankwe o tabua mo le tshelo ra Saudi ilukwa one day ke le ka mo tropo ke sepela ka mo polokwane ke bona mme mongwe o tuthoisha ngwana so o ra re diploma are ya diploma na o thana mo ka mo tshele ka mo kere mama nka le re ngwana o ke diploma o re ke shema my school ke ntwa buileng ka ona ni diploma tenachi jale roka kwa wafta hata kama swana tef wase bale dibuka ja hao o wa diploma nya no munya kama nya ndo bangwa ba ile mapokisi. I'm serious. Some ba ile mapokisi, we bury young people today. Re boloka ba so ba le sanji ba ka boloke papa e bo marena mamtha ba tswadi ba boloka rena estate ya rena re boloke bona ba boloka ke mang. Because every Saturday Kibona, put a little like a Mutwadi. Over tell you about FM. The people didn't talk about Twadi. Why? Because the Kitimala deal before the feature. Repano hole as young people. The fourth dress that you need to wear, get the wedding dress. Kiabon. Maraoka itia Mosado you peta China Namu. The body will throw the body le sham. Limutoto nyala batawa murele pele na ucha ngwana bore na kira kwa abone usonto kuthana ngabo awona munna nyo nyala musado molo mongwe ibila na musado nyo nyala munno molo mongwe. I'm telling you oba bana na ko ifita bile ba lula pasara ngwana rena na utata u ba lwa uzor di padi le belo because you don't care. So Steven fela ki di chipi di piri di chipi the fifth one, Ilema Felelo, Konnafas. The fifth one, Ilema Felelo, Konnafas. Kiroko ya maternity. Maternity dress, get the last one. But unfortunately, Tomakayon. Before we wear all these dresses, Tomaka maternity dress, all of us. Unfortunately, Banaba Africa. That's an unfortunate story about African girls, African young boys. Refeta so chidivila. Renogo ba di CJB before re bana kwa go re be di CJB. Not today. I can do whatever I want. 1, 2, 3. Today I'm independent. If kinakoya you are learning today but again, you need to step by step. That's why I will not detail. First step, I want to school, all our Honeva Mutomo. Maradugo, look up for come on to a galley, we make a lot of Macron, get a machete, what's the way, time you should have left me a rock again.